Hello students, today we discuss a question paper about IT tools and application. Now this is the question, computer fundamental question. Now we discuss the computer derived the Latin word des, Latin word calculator, compute, calculator, none of this, compute. CPU means central processing unit, computer programming unit, processor, all of above. CPU means central processing unit. Next question. ALU arithmetic logic unit is the DES central unit, logical operator, central processor, all of above. ALU is the central processor because ALU take data from CU and send to MU. So it is called central processor. CU. CU means control unit. Control unit is the DES nerve center, central processor, storage device, all of above. Nerve center because control unit control all the function of computer, so it is called nerve center. Then MU is the DES processing unit, control unit, storage unit and none of above. Processing unit, control unit, storage unit and none of above. MU is the storage unit. When we save any data, by default it save in DES. When we save any data, by default the data always store in my document option. So we click my document option. When we deleted any data, it store in memory, recycle bin, hard disk, both A and C, recycle bin. Or deleted data store in recycle bin. If we save any data, we use Control V, Control D, Control S and Control X. Control S. If we open a file, means new file, if we open a file, we use Control plus O. If we cut a file, then Control X. Cut means Control X. RAM means random access memory, read and write memory, both A and B and none of this. RAM means random access memory. Okay. Then ROM is a DES. ROM means read-only memory. ROM is a set of program, data and program rules. ROM is a set of program. Okay. RAM is a DES, volatile memory. RAM is a DES, volatile memory, temporary memory, read and write memory and all of above. All of above. RAM is the volatile, also temporary, also read and write memory. So it is, the answer is all of above. Software is a DES. Software is a physical parts, program, memory, device. Software is a set of program. Okay. Memory is divided DES type 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 types: primary memory, secondary memory and cache memory. So it is called 3 types. The data stored in permanently is called primary memory, secondary memory, cache memory, and volatile memory. Secondary memory. Secondary memory, the data stored in permanently. Okay. The computer understands only binary language, middle level language, high level language, all of above. The computer understands only machine level language or binary level language. Okay. Computer understand only 0 and 1. So we click the only binary language. DASH is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. DASH is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. Motherboard, video, then CPU, then none of these. CPU is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. Then next question 29. Anemometer is a DASH computer, digital, analog, hybrid, none of these. Analog computer because it carries analog signal and convert to digital signal. BIOS is a set of program. BIOS means basic input output system. So we click basic input output system. Here for option basic input output storage both A and B no operating system. So we click basic input output system. Operating system is a DASH. Operating system is a DASH translator, program, system software and application software. Operating system is a system software. Without operating system, a system cannot operate. Windows is a DASH, single user operating system, multi-user operating system and graphical user interface and all of these. We use operating system, so Windows is a multi-user operating system. Okay. Then Linux. Linux is a DASH type of operating system, single user, multi-user, single tasking and all of these. Unix is a DASH type of operating system, single user, multi-user, single tasking, single user operating system. The software used for specific purpose is called system software, application software, utility software and operating system. Specific purpose means application software. Okay. It used for special work. Then the translator translate user language to DASH, user language to binary language, machine code, machine program and all of above. User language to machine code means binary and machine program, all of above. Okay. Then the data stored in the memory of DASH, memory of processor, register, storage, all of above. The data stored in memory of register. Okay, register. It is a mistake, means the software design mistake. Okay. Then next question, Microsoft Office is an application software, system software, both A and B and none of these. The Microsoft Office is an application software. Microsoft Office is an application software. Okay. System software both, no, this is the application software. Then next question, DOS is a DASH, single user operating system, multi user operating system, single user and single tasking operating system, multi user operating system, single user operating system. Okay.